As Russian artillery is based upon quantities, Ukraine keeps striking massive amounts of a system. Everything from smaller towed artillery system to larger self-propelled. While all Russian system requires a lot of ammunition and have little protection, the end result of a strike can often become a massive explosion, as large amounts of ammunition can be stored inside, as this 2S5 Giatsint-S self-propelled artillery being able to store 30 rounds, letting a small drone to cause a chain reaction with a hit, detonating all of the ammunition, obliterating the system, taking out another of Russia's artillery, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I have for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.